think it's a good idea. I say we should get back to the assignment we've been given. You guys okay? Oh, yes, we took a big risk. And what does she have to do with this story?
But he's leaving, and he didn't even say goodbye to me. But I don't even know where to start. And besides, I'm the only Winx who hasn't got her char mix yet. The Tree of Life is sick. There's no doubt about it. What if he doesn't feel the same way about me? Hey, you saved mine first. And you'll grow up to be a strong and brave fairy, too. Your time hasn't come yet, that's all.
Then,
I love you, my little blossom. Lulia is a wasteland. Oh, you poor thing, you're suffering. If we don't stop them soon, they're going to hurt someone. I know it's hard, but remember, we're your friends and we're with you no matter what.
left early.
I guess her date with Naboo must have gone well, but why would she leave and not tell us any?
Actually, it's truly been quite refreshing. No powers, no help, just relying on ourselves. I kind of like it. I'm Flora, the Princess of Lynthia. My friends and I are here to see Princess Bloom. You need to take a number for the bathroom. It was Mike's idea. Come on, let's go back, Bloom.